Honda Goldwing trailers. I've never seen one, have you? This is a small story of how we turn it from gold to candy ardent red. First of all, it's stripped down into its component form. Then we begin to prep. I used a combination of a D8 with a 400 disc, 800 wet and dry, and grey Scotch-Brite. Next up is the primer. I used a 2K high build. I applied 4 coats. After flattening and remasking, it's time to apply the top coat. Firstly, 3 coats of water-based base coat followed by a tinted clear, but only 1 coat. This was followed by 2 coats of clear coat. This is just to seal it all in, ready for polishing. After quite a few hours of flattening and polishing, this is the result. This colour outside is truly stunning. If I had applied 1 more coat of tinted clear, the results may not have been so good. I think it would have started to make the colour look too brown compared to the bike. At the time that this went through the workshop, the colour formulation was not available. After numerous test samples were sent for me to try, we finally got the right colour. The video really doesn't do it justice. It really does pop in the sun. It would look great on a full car, but it would be a lot of work to do it. My customer is really happy with the results, and it really does match his bike well. Will I see another one again? Who knows? It's taken me 34 years to see one this time, but if I do, I know exactly how to do it. So only a short video this time, but I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new content weekly.